Hi everyone, I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your diamond cut professional, and today I will convert this boring bangle into a rainbow bangle. I will use that rainbow tool to give that multicolor effect on the bangle. That's the rainbow tool. It's made of small diamond powders pressed, so these polycrystalline diamonds give on the gold or silver that multicolor effect. As you know, that's our 50,000 RPM high precision, high torque micromotor. We designed it especially for diamond cut, and I will use that rainbow tool with the maximum speed of 50,000 RPM today. That rainbow tool has a mini head of 5 mm. That means you will not have any vibration with the micromotor. So I'm very confident with 50,000 RPM. Let's start and see how it goes. That tool will need some skill, some experience, so I recommend you to practice a little bit before you start using this tool in a perfect scale. So don't worry if you need 2-3 days before being a professional on this tool. One trick about that model, just move your hand. Don't try to move the tool because you'll have a vibration effect, so it will not be a smooth surface. So just move your hand more, focus on your hand, be easygoing, focus on the control. That will give a better result. Here we have completed the first part of our bangle, the rainbow part. So let's jump the second part, the diamond cut. Here is the rainbow effect. If you look carefully, you will see moving colors, pink to green, purple to blue. Maybe the camera is not enough, but here you go. Our bangle is not completed yet. I will continue with the diamond tool. I'm using 2 mm 140 diamond tool to make the lines, the shiny lines between each rainbow color. I'm changing my tool. I'm using again my 50,000 RPM micromotor, the same machine, and I will use the maximum speed again, the same speed. Here we go, 50,000 RPM. Our rainbow bangle is being prepared. Wish me luck, it needs some precision. Our bangle is ready. I hope you enjoyed that rainbow tool video. I hope it was interesting for you. So I used two tools, 2 mm 140 diamond tool plus the rainbow tool. You can contact us to order these two tools. Have a look at our YouTube page, youtube.com Bulunmaz Tools. I hope you will like there. You can see more of these models. You can learn more about our tools. Thank you so much for watching us. See you again.